Okay, let's try it again. Okay, you guys. Scene 3, take 3. I'm talking dead in the microphone now. The camera just decides to turn itself off. And here comes another sea line. Okay, so here comes that. See, we got a sea line over here coming in. I don't know if you can see it. Right there it came in. Got a sea line out here. Watch, we gotta feed that. So this is gonna get good, yeah. Here they are. Morning. Hi. Get the water. Sea line, yeah. Let's see if I can get him in the video. Ah, there he is. Where is he? Oh, right there. Now, where is that sucker? Oh, there he is right there. So we got to give him a hot dog for coming in. I don't know. Did I get that on film? Yeah, I think he got it. Where he went under. Oh, there he is. He's coming back for another one. Okay, hold on, buddy. Here you go. He likes that one. Did we get it? We got it. Let's see how I can do one more for the sea lion. There it goes. Oh, seagull got him. Wait, where'd he go? One more for the buddy. That's the last one. I think he got that one. Okay, now back to the birds. Hard to get at. So, I like to feed the pigeons. I like to. Got a pretty good show going so far. There's a sea lion out there. He likes cheeseburgers and hamburgers. You didn't get to that one. Anyway, hopefully the thing's still filming. This thing goes on off and on by itself. I like the pigeon. I wonder if they like corn dogs. Take the stick out. We'll see if they like corn dogs. See, there's a seal out there. I gotta keep doing this before the dog comes by. Okay, that's about it, I think. Two more corn dogs. Hey.
Big signs everywhere say don't feed the animals.
Yeah, I know. There's always.
The birds.
Well, that's what God
and
should
they come
say.
over here and they crap all over everything.
That's what they do. They're natural animals.
Yeah, and when people feed them.
Oh well, too bad. You get fed, don't you?
What?
Maybe they should put a sign over your bed. Don't feed you.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, I know. They're God's animals. I knew that was gonna happen. I was there 5 minutes, but I guess that guy thinks he owns the world. Don't feed the animals. Don't feed the animals. I hope I got that on video because that'll make it go viral for sure. That's the city of Oceanside. Instead of helping the homeless people, they spend $250,000 on some security guards to kick everybody out who's caught sleeping in their van or car. You know, instead of giving them a hotel room or something, they rather spend $250,000 just harassing people who've got nowhere to go. It's a free country, and you know, the less fortunate are not supposed to be picked on by those in power. But that's how it is these days, you know. People think they're better than others, or, you know, people with disabilities don't get any help. So that's what happens. Alright. I get a pretty good show sometimes. I got a little channel.
You got a little party going on.